Jeff says bye in the morning, then he circles back by 10. I'm done with this, he swears it, then he's in the chat again. Same old exit, same old promise, same old foot back in the door. Says he's leaving, says he means it, then he's asking for some more. He can close it, he can ghost it, he can walk away tonight, but the itch starts, then he's right back, looking for one more fight. Bye-bye jail, but you never go. Bye-bye jail, everybody knows. You keep watching, you keep talking, you keep hanging around. Every time you leave, you're back in town. Bye-bye jail, what's keeping you here? What's keeping you here? Is it jealousy in your ear? You say I'm leaving, but the story never ends. You can't say goodbye when you keep coming back again. Stu's doing well and Jeff feels it, then he starts keeping score. Every fresh post, every headline has him knocking at the door. One more video, one more comment, then another little sigh. He could be out there doing something instead of chasing what goes by. He can mute it, he can lose it, he can let the whole thing slide, but the itch starts, then he's right back, trying to turn the tide. Bye-bye Jeff, but you never go. Bye-bye Jeff, everybody knows. You keep watching, you keep talking, you keep hanging around. Every time you leave, you're back in town. Bye-bye Jeff, what's keeping you here? Keeping you here. Is it jealousy in your ear? You say I'm leaving, but the story never ends. You can't say goodbye when you keep coming back again. If you really wanna leave, leave the drama on the floor. Nothing holds you here now but your hand on the door. No more one more ride, no more one more show. Turn around, walk out, let the whole thing go. Let it go. Bye-bye Jeff. Now what will you do? Bye-bye Jeff. Will you see it through? You keep watching, you keep talking, you keep hanging around. Every time you leave, you're back in town. Bye-bye Jeff. The choice is yours tonight. Walk away from the drama, leave it out of sight. Say goodbye once and let the whole thing end. 'Cause saying bye means nothing if you keep coming back again.